people, don't take no vaccine.
Welcome back viewers and subscribers to another video on there. So we are talking about the description of the video. Say I Octane burn out the government exchequer with the JCF and things said way, and how Jamaica open up and you don't know for tourists and not Jamaicans, and it makes sense. You see me? Because 1,700 passengers forward on a crusade ship over Ochi. So subscribe before liking. We are going to get in a video. Alright people, so right now more know how lockdown for 3 days for the Jamaicans, and you don't know the people them are forward on the crusade ship, guys. It's like, I don't know, they might enjoy everything. I'm sure no what going on. So that are going to mean why we upon lockdown, dog. It unfair. So I Octane, as a public figure, said where him say him a go do speak since enough people in a position from what he is. See me?
Yo, you see someone a police boy and police girl. I'm telling you this. Big up the real police them, because I have a whole heap of police virgin are real G. You know the system of hustle now, not pressure poor people. You know if you hustle about the system. But here what go on now. You see one little thing go on the riverside last night or somewhere. Seeing somebody send me a video. Some police go over there, kick over the people them stall, kick with the people them food, kick down all the woman and beer things, and kick with the people them soup, and around the people them. Yes, them broke the rules and no movements there. Them broke the rules, and rules is rules. Make sure you got blood clot Ochi down a Duns River. Go kick over them people their food, you know. We come in on a ship there, you know. The elite people there, you know. Make sure, you know, because some of them get to youth, you know, have get up parents and go on like on a Baphomet out, you know. Make sure me see uno. Keep the same blood clot energy, because there are no movements there. Everybody will come in on a ship there for quarantine. Them not for out. Make sure me see when I kick over them blood clot food there. I want to see video, I kick over the food and the style and stop it. It's a judgment. You know?
As I say, guys, it's a bugger thing I go on. So L.A. Lewis have something to say for himself, said way me in regards to the whole big V.
2 weeks off of the road, people. 2 weeks we lock off of the street. We not go check nobody. We lock up in our house like sardine in a pan. And the man go tell we say the Delta variant raise. Who fi raise the Delta variant? I must spirit. I must dopey. Me know say him can't walk over like me as people. But him not so bad like me. So I must dopey people. And raise the variant people. So we're out here, people. See it, people. 50 car load of it out here, people. 50 car load away. Out here. 50 car load away. So tell the Prime Minister, say, for come for we see that 50 car load away. Out here, people. We're not going in. We're going about our business. Yeah, people. So, tell the Prime Minister, say, the Crime Minister, say, him and Dr. Crofton, for come take what off of the road and further on. People, don't take no vaccine. We don't want to kill in vaccine. You understand? So this thing is all about the vaccine, people. Let me tell you something, people. Yes, if your immune system strong, you can't go wrong. You understand? And nothing is in the ear, not airborne, not like what them tell you, people. Not a airborne or ear death or ear sweat like what them tell you. So people, what the Prime Minister is doing is wrong. But what we do now, people, sometimes you have to play the advocate. For say, if what he's saying is right, we know say it is wrong with the lockdown, you know. But we know also what he's saying with what Delta variant is also a lie. Because if you are in a community and you don't see nobody is dying, and the only time you hear some people are dead upon the TV, or the only time you hear some people are dead is at the hospital. And when you check the hospital now, the nurse and the doctor them tell us say them need more oxygen from how long. And the Prime Minister and the Health Minister sabotage them oxygen. So what kind of official virus is this? What kind of pandemic? And a health minister sabotage the oxygen. So people, don't tell me, we're out here. See that people, we're out here. Yeah, so tell the Prime Minister said, him himself, for come try, for come lock down the emperor. And people, let me tell you something. I don't care zero. We are going to tell us that this thing is a fake pandemic. It's all about killing the people. People, see that? It reach out here. You have some place now, people, in New Kingston and some place of a Spanish town. They may tell us if you don't have a certain piece of vaccine, think sure say you get the vaccine, you can't shop them there. Fast food place, people. On the seaside come now, people, but I tell us they will come. Enough people upon, yo, that can't come at Jamaica, that can't come at Nyankepong, that can't come at Maroon Lands. Well, every land is Maroon Lands worldwide, and it is in a lot of the lands, but now it's over here, so in Atlantis, people. So we're out here, and people, see that this is Riverton City. Riverton City is where the dumps are, people. But some good, great, and powerful people is over there. Sometimes I go over there to hang out, people. Yes, but this is where the dumps at people, where them dump all them stupidness. And if Riverton City do not have, and has never and will never have one drop of COVID over the people, one drop of corona over there, not one.
That was from that, guys. One of the passengers them from off of the Crusade ship have some things to say in regards to the lockdown. Because them out and we inside.
Tourists are allowed to come into Jamaica on a day when Jamaicans have to stay locked up inside. Do you have a view?
They should come out as long as they've got their mask on like we have to have. I don't know why they can't come out with their mask on too.
Well, the reason is that we've seen an escalation in COVID cases in the last couple of, say the last 2 months. We have seen an escalation in deaths and infections.
Well, so in the United States, so we've got a big abundance of the COVID breaking out also. Right. And we're allowed to go out as long as we have our mask on. So I don't know why Jamaicans can't come out without their, as long as they've got their mask on, like we do in the United States.
It has created some controversy here among the locals who believe that it is unfair.
It is unfair. They should be able to come out.
What has your experience been? I don't know if you've been here before. Is this your first time?
No, I've been here several times.
And you've been here at a time when you could mingle with the
locals? When it was crowded and everything was open and that, yeah.
What's your experience now, given that there is no locals for you to mingle with? Is it a different experience?
Yes. It looks like it's a ghost town now. That explain it?
It does. Does that take away the fun though?
No, I mean, you don't have the people cheering around or walking around and greeting you like you usually do. I mean, yes, you got the people that are at the stores, but you don't have the ones that are walking in the streets, greeting you like I have before when I've been here.
And do you miss that?
Yes, yes.
What about it you like?
Just the friendliness of everybody here. Okay. I do miss that, yes.
How long have you been coming to Jamaica? Can you say how many trips?
I think this is my 4th trip here.
Okay.
My 4th time.
And you mind saying where in the US you're from?
Michigan.
In Michigan. Okay. How long ago you booked this
We booked this back in February, I think. I think it was in February we booked it.
Okay. So you were long ago that you were